Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a shape in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert, color, and customize shapes easily. So let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now go to the Insert tab at the top menu bar. Next, click on the Shapes option. A menu with different shapes will appear. Now choose any shape you want. Click and drag your mouse to draw the shape on your page. And as you can see, the shape has been added successfully. If you want to fill color inside the shape, click on the shape, then go to Shape Fill, choose the color you like, and click. Your shape will be instantly colored. If you want to change the border color, click on Shape Outline, select your color, and apply it. And you're done. And that's it. You've learned how to make a shape in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.